This video demonstrates how to install battery backup for the LiftMaster Industrial DC Commercial Door Hoist Style Operators models JDC and JHDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained, professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained, professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. JDC models are known as jack shaft operators and do not have a hoist assembly. They do include a battery kit that allows operation of the door in the event of a power outage. The battery kit consists of a mounting tray which comes pre-assembled with 2 batteries depending on your model. The 700 units will come with the 4.5 amp-hour battery, and the 1200 units will come with the 7 amp-hour battery. Note, the accessory kit DC7AH will come with only the 7 amp-hour batteries. Battery kits can be added as an option to trolley operators as well. It is recommended to remove the knockouts for all the wiring connections, including the battery kit, before mounting the operator. Be careful not to damage the components inside the case. When installing the battery kit, make sure power is turned off to the operator. Attach the battery case to the power head. Route the wires into the power head. Inside the power head, locate the battery connector. Plug the red wire into the positive connector. Plug the black wire into the negative connector. Reconnect the disconnected AC power to the operator. Once installed, return to the wall control. You will see the battery icon in the top right corner is now charging from house power. Once the battery is full, the icon will fill to the end. That's it. Your battery backup is now installed and ready for use. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.